The E-Class BlueTech Hybrid doesn't react and cannot be diagnosed. Previously, the deactivation process could not be carried out in Sentry Diagnostics. We will perform a manual deactivation. Turn the ignition off and remove the ignition key. Keep it in a safe place. Always remember to mark the completed steps in your test report. First, go to the trunk. If you can't open it, you'll need to use the emergency key. To get to the 12-volt battery, remove the trunk floor. Then disconnect the 12-volt battery's ground line. To ensure the correct working of the voltage tester, check it before you start, according to the operating instructions. During the test, do not press these two buttons. Now you can get started. Your job is to make sure that no power passes between the positive terminal on the charging point of the prefuse box and the vehicle ground. This test is designed to ensure that the cutoff and the coupling relays are not stuck between the auxiliary battery and the 12-volt onboard battery, and also that the vehicle doesn't continue to be supplied by the auxiliary battery. Then above the high voltage battery, remove the air duct. Then check the high voltage components, including the high voltage connectors and the high voltage cables for damage. Make sure that all high voltage components, for example EKMV, are not active. In our case, everything is okay. Now you can remove the engine cover. For the diesel engine variant, disconnect the electrical connector, interior and engine cable harness. Then attach a high voltage warning sign onto the connectors. Then disconnect the plug from the 12-volt electrical outlet of the high-voltage battery. Before proceeding further, observe a waiting period of at least 2 minutes. During this time, put on your personal protective equipment. This includes an arc jacket, undergloves, electrician's gloves, which you check for leaks and wear as high as possible, and an electrician's safety helmet with face shield. Please note that the personal protective equipment must be selected according to the specifications in your country. In addition to the test report, you need a voltage tester, a warning sign, a set of covers, a safety lock, and a test adapter. You may only carry out the following steps wearing your personal protective equipment. Disconnect the high voltage connector from the high voltage connection of the high voltage battery module. Then connect the test adapter to the high voltage plug connector. With your voltage tester, start the voltage tests. Begin with the test adapter. If the value is less than 60 volts, enter this in the test report and continue. Now measure the voltage in the high voltage plug and enter the values recorded in the report. Perform the voltage test on the vehicle with a disconnected ground line of the 12-volt battery. Here you must perform both tests again, this time with a connected ground line. Now you can remove the test adapter. Following this, mount the high voltage safety lock. Once connected, the key must be kept safe. Now protect the high voltage plug with this cover. Complete the test report. Place this behind the windshield until the commissioning. After the commissioning, place it with the repair documentation.